it is saying that hub, like, once you have installed the ML Hub, so you go to the package manager. So let us go to the package manager. It is on the top right. Go there, click on it, and then so what it says is, now go to the package manager and download the examples project. And okay, so basically as you can see, we are seeing this three options: Unity, native, and helpful tools. So we are interested with Unity only, so we can click on it. So when you click on it, it shows you separate different options. Some of the like SDK and Unity package is already installed, or okay, so it's like you need, it's mandatory. And the other things, like you can select whether to install or not. What I am going to do is, like, I'll just select all the options. So examples, Unity examples, Magic Leap simulator, as we will be using the simulator for initial developments. The other stuff as API documentations and application simulator. Okay, so this is for Unity, and this is the like separate one, separate application. And these are some, basically I think so, plugin or something. So like I'll just, and also the room generator, virtual room generator, which the simulator can use. So I'll just select this and apply the changes. Make sure you have enough disk space. So we'll wait till it installs everything. It should be done quite soon. So this will restart the complete. So it will restart the hub only. So I just don't need to restart my system. So I'll just go ahead. So it will restart the hub.